Are you ready to transform your Roku TV into an ultimate entertainment hub with IPTV? Discover why True TV is your best bet by contacting Nancy for support. Today, we'll guide you on installing IPTV on Roku, ensuring a seamless experience. True TV offers top-notch support and a fantastic variety of content for endless entertainment. So, how exactly do you set it up? Let's dive into the essential steps, ensuring even beginners can follow along without any hassle. It's straightforward and accessible. Start by accessing the Roku settings and installing the required channels. With Nancy's assistance from True TV, streaming your favorite content has never been easier. Explore the vast selection of channels and content curated just for you. The easy setup combined with True TV's extensive offerings will redefine your streaming experience. Wrap up with pro tips on making the most out of IPTV on Roku. Remember, Nancy at True TV is just a click away should you need any assistance.